cuties and beauties. Hi. Today I'm gonna recreate Nikki Tutorials Cannes look, which is a pink smoky eye right here. She was wearing a red dress, which is so cute, and she was looking stunning. I thought, why not? Let's recreate her. Without any further delay, let's get started. सबसे पहले अपने फेस को थोड़ा सा मॉइस्चर दिया है with L'Oreal Paris Ravita Lift Crystal Micro Essence Serum. ने primer apply किया है. That was by Blue Heaven. This primer right here. She is a full coverage glam girl, so I used this Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hour foundation. This is also a full coverage but a little affordable for us. Now I used concealer, which is also by Maybelline. This is their Maybelline New York concealer in the shade Sand. Then I set my whole face with this Maybelline Fit Me powder because she is a matte lover, that's why. Then I used Swiss Beauty palette for blush and contour. For that I used my new brush sets because why not? I used this color for contour and this shade for blush, and it is looking really pretty. This you can see my ring light, and yeah. And then I used highlighter. This is NY Bay Skyline highlighter. Then I used Swiss Beauty makeup fixer to set my whole face and lock my thing on its place. And I did tap from the beauty blender so that everything melts into my skin like her flawless skin. Now for brows, I used these two shades from Music Flower. One is brown and one is black. And I used brown the outer corner of my brows and black to fill in black and brown. Mix of black and brown to fill in the ends because she has always dramatic eyebrows ever. Let's follow that rule. Then I used this palette right here. Her video making palette. Yes, because it has so much shades. I cannot find in another palette. That's why I used this shade right here in my crease and blended it with a flat fluffy brush, and I had taken all the way up and all the way to the inner corners because she is full drama queen and she also used to do that, and this time she's also doing this. And then further to deepen up the crease a little bit because she has a little intensity right here and here, I used this dupe of Huda Beauty, this shade right here, to deepen up somewhat and on the lower lash line. From this palette again I used this shade right here to highlight my brow bones and my inner corner because her inner corner was shining bright like a star. What give it? And I used this Blue Heaven sketch liner to draw a little wing. I don't know if she has that or not, but I thought yes, she is having that. But not tell whether I apply it or not. Yeah, that's the beauty of makeup. Then I applied a pair of false lashes, which is from this. Yeah, these are the same lashes that I used in my previous video. I'll be linking right here so that you guys can check that out. I used this my pencil right here to tightline my upper waterline, and she has white pencil in her lower lash line. So I lined my lower lash lines with, I forgot to tell you that I smudged that in a highlight shade to my lower lash line as well. For lips, I used this Swiss Beauty lip liner in the shade Choco Nude. I overlined it a little so that my lips look bigger like hers, but it's a Hypercurl. Anyway, this lipstick by Nykaa. This is their Pop XO and the shade name is Bliss. And then on top of it, I used Lush and Juicy lip gloss by Blue Heaven. And that completes the video and the makeup tutorial that you are looking for. Oh, it's hitting hard because light nahi hai, light chali gayi hai. So that was it for today and hope you liked it, and if you liked it and enjoyed it, please give this video a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot. Till then, bye.